Ah, okay. Kasi may picture dito ni Jamgyum. Agas, dito nga. To. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Annyeonghaseyo. This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Jeju Island in Korea. So for today's video, papasok tayo ngayon sa Jeju Folk Village na isa sa mga main tourist attractions dito sa Korea. Especially dito sa Jeju. Isa ito sa UNESCO World Heritage Site na naging filming location ng maraming K-dramas tulad ng OG na Jangyum. Ano yun? Jewel in the Palace. Okay, Jewel in the Palace. So if you want to experience, have a grasp of how the Jeju people lived before, their life, their culture before, then this is the perfect place for us. Hindi dapat natin tumamiss na nasa Jeju Island tayo. Okay, let's go! Let's go! Pasok na tayo! Wait, pasok tayo dito. This is the cultural, traditional experience in Jeju. Share ko lang guys, kung kayo magko-Korea, maghanap kayo ng hotel, you can book your activities and hotel via Klook. And may promo code you can use para naman maka-discount kayo ng 5% sa hotel and 3% sa activities. Okay? And guys, tingnan nyo naman yung 7-Eleven. Amazed. Galing. I really love how Korea is able to preserve their culture and traditions, ano? Kita mo naman yung architecture dito. Ang ganda. Look! Yung cafe! Ang ganda. I love. Tama yung sinasabi ni Gats, parang ito yung mga bahay din sa Batanes na bato-bato. May pa-waterfalls. And then, dito may entrance fee. I think we should pay. Tara. How much kaya? Individual. Hala, 15,000 won. Including university students. Jeju Folk Village. Ano, G? G, tara. Magkano mga 15,000 won? 652. Pero sulit to. Tara, let's explore. Okay. Tara, let's go.
I think let's go to the left.
Sige. Okay lang ba kung maging navigator for this trip? Kung anong gusto mong puntahan.
Problem.
May mapa. Oo, kasi malaki pala to.
Pwede tayo umikot ng pag-anuan.
Sige.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Excited.
Are you guys ready to travel back in time? Ay, ito, mga tangerines or oranges. Totoo to, guys.
Iba-ibang klase.
Grabe, ang lalaki.
Ang laki ka.
Tingnan mo naman, ang laki. Painter's house. Ito yung mga traditional houses. Yes. Meron pa music dito. Very countryside, oo. Very fast. Sige, tour guide Gats.
Ito drama. Ito drama shooting site.
Ay, okay. Tapos may pa cherry blossoms. Ayan yung mga K-drama fans dyan like me. Again, ang pinakasikat na film dito, Jewel in the Palace. Grabe. Jeju. You're so beautiful. Ganito siguro magluto si Jamgyum before. Charing. Ayan. Pumasok tayo sa isang kubo dito. May pakambing. Uma! Uma! Kirama pala. Igo, igo! Walang alam. Hala. Hello! Hello! Meh! Alam mo yung Replay 1988 na ganun yung sound effect. Ito live. Meh! Ito daw ay drama set talaga, guys. Kakatuwa. Ang peaceful, maglakad-lakad dito, tapos may stone grand pa. Ayan o. Sila yung mga considered as gods dito sa Jeju, who are considered as protectors too. Nice.
Office of the Governor Jujumok,
Okay.
known as Sarabangpon, meaning the safety of Jeju people was decided as all the administrative works were carried out in the building.
Alright, so ito ay government office. Let's enter this part of Jeju Folk Village. Uy, tingnan niyo. Look. Cool. Pwedeng pumasok dito guys, but just take off your shoes. Pasok ka. Mist?
Moist.
Moist?
Ganun vibes.
Tara, welcome to our humble abode. Nice, pwedeng pumasok. Imagine, dito natutulog si na Jangyum. Char. Ah, oo. Ito yung yung penalty, parusa. Kung saan pinaparusahan yung mga nagkasala. Grabe. Yung mga kakaiba dito sa Jeju, kung nakukompare ko sa yung Bukong Palace, yung walls, yung mga pader, yung maitim na bricks, yan yung gamit. May mga resto din dito sa loob, guys. Yan, no? For the experience. Jeju Folk Village experience. Ito may toilet. Let's go. Tingnan niyo naman yung CR, guys, oh. Ay, gosh, dito yung filming Jewel in the Palace. Ah, okay. Kasi may picture dito ni Jangyum. Ah, gosh, dito nga. To. We're entering the folk religious village naman. Ito may pa writing wish letter dito. Wow. Wait, magsulat tayo dito ng wish. Tapos i-insert ata somewhere. Sabit natin somewhere here. Itong sinulat natin. Ito talaga guys, yung traditional na houses. Cool. Ah, yeah. Mga wishing tower, sabi ni Gats. Tourist yarn. At sa'yo sa makita mo, may ganyan talaga. Ang cute. Hello. Natakot si Gats dito. Iba yung vibe. Dasalan daw to eh. Pero ito yung mga structures nila before.
Ayun, oo, shaman sa
Ah, oo.
shaman's house.
Shaman's
Ayoko.
house. Ayaw magpa-picture? Shaman's house, oh.
Ayun,
Ay, oo. Wait lang. Dito tayo. Yeah. Ayan. Ito guys, ang pipili na lang kami ng last stop namin. Kasi flight na namin later. So, ang maganda dito guys, actually whole day. No? Whole day or half day?
half day.
Half day talaga, oo. Ako kasi, di ko sure kung kailan ako babalik ng Jeju. Pero gusto ko lang masecure na I went to this village. Kasi of course, pag sinabi mong Jeju, isa sa papasok talaga sa isip mo ay Jeju Folk Village eh. And true enough, I feel like I traveled back in time. Pag pumapasok tayo sa mga structures dito. Pasukin natin ng konti. The Fisherman. Northern Fisherman's House. Then may bunnies. Ito ano kaya to? Ah, okay, mga walis. Mga panglinis. Then sila naglalaban ng mga damit. Joyce ang ngayon. Nagsorry ako kasi nakaharang ako kanina. Look. Ganda. So ito yung school nila before. Cute. Geo. Cute. installation. Ayan, may mga students. Antok ata yung isa. Uy, interesting. May pa-game room. Oh, ay, bata yan. Activities, mga bago. Amazed. Guys, yung mga nilalakaran natin. Mga old houses. Tuwa. Here is the mountain village. Ayun, hindi naman pala siya super laki. So 2 to 3 hours would do para mananamnam niyo yung experience. I think whole day here is a lot. Even half day.
Unless like may activities sila na gagawin.
Mm-mm.
Like may mga classes kasi dito and other stuff.
Yeah, but definitely worth visiting. Kung gusto yung travel back, come back to the young and beautiful you. Kung gusto yung ma-experience yung traditional Jeju, then this is it. I'm not sure kung meron nito sa Klook. Hindi ko na-check. Pero may entrance. And speaking of Klook, kung kayo magje-Jeju, you can book your hotel via Klook. Comment ko yung link sa baba. So, this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best life. Bye-bye!